Hello, my name is Marco Gerdick and welcome to my tour of the Balanced Literacy E-Unit on weather. The topic of weather is one that I feel students at the early elementary level will not only gain crucial growth in their reading and writing abilities, but also acquire significant scientific knowledge about the physical world changing around them. Weather is an observable part of each and every day that affects how we as human beings behave. Furthermore, weather and climate have observable effects on other life that we share the earth with, as well as matter, all of which are objects of a child's observation. This thematic unit contains a collection of children's literature, both fiction and nonfiction, that is related to the weather in a multitude of different ways. Whether it is a story on blizzards and snow days, or an adventure through each of the seasons, the Related Literature tab showcases books that both entertain and educate elementary school students. Moreover, the lessons showcased in this unit encourage students to think about the connections that the weather has on the characters within the story as well as themselves. Conducting a student interest survey was a prime way for me to not only learn more about the students who are in second grade, but to help me curate this unit. Second grade students have a natural curiosity for the world around them and an innate desire to learn more about it. The student interest survey helped me to curate my Related Literature tab, which includes literature that supports students' ability to learn more about this content through fiction, which I learned was the more preferred genre of readers at this age. My Related Literature page is full of books that both tell entertaining stories whilst adding to students' knowledge about weather. The books in this e-unit range across various grade levels and Fontes and Pinnell reading levels so that readers can find the literature that fosters their growth as both a reader as well as in the content area. Furthermore, there are books that are also in Spanish so students who are ESLs can learn about the topic of weather within this unit. Within this Balanced Literacy E-Unit, there is a 3-lesson sequence that fosters growth in students' ability to learn new vocabulary, both high frequency as well as words that pertain to the subject matter and elaborate on the main ideas within the literature that they read. First, the Read Aloud lesson plan on the story Come On Rain by Karen Hess explores the human connection to weather. I felt that this story was the best fit for a read aloud because it is an M on the Fontes and Pinnell reading scale, which is a potential level that second grade readers should be reaching. Read aloud lessons can help learners reach this potential with scaffolding. The story is full of new vocabulary for students to explore, as well as analysis of how the weather affects the characters in the story. The lesson includes modeling for the connections within the story and active engagement strategies that allow students to collaborate with one another in the community of learners in order to come to a greater understanding of the story through turn-in talks. Furthermore, there is a writing task that encourages students to make connections between the story and their own lives. Second, the word study through shared reading lesson using the book Snow Day by Margaret McNamara serves the purpose of building students' word recognition through and phonological and phonemic awareness, as well as fluency and comprehension by putting emphasis on sight words, phonics rules, phonograms, word structure analysis, and significant Tier 1 and Tier 2 vocabulary. The phonics rule that we go over in this lesson is the CVCE pattern, the magic E, that makes vowel sounds longer, with words such as gave, wide, and made. Lastly, the guided reading lesson plan aims to support students' reading comprehension in numerous ways through a step-by-step sequence where students will utilize their prior knowledge and experience in order to make this lesson more student-centered. This lesson aims to help students understand the process of reading and how to best understand texts as they are reading. The objective of this lesson is that students will read and discuss a narrative text and engage in discussion of key concepts and vocabulary through the development of graphic organizers to demonstrate comprehension at a level of 3 proficiency based on the 4-point rubric scale. The standards addressed are to explain how illustrations and images contribute to and clarify texts, as well as reading and comprehending literacy texts independently and proficiently with scaffolding as needed. Throughout the lesson, the teacher guides the students through the reading process by clarifying pertinent vocabulary and inspiring students to make predictions about the story. After reading the text, the teacher guides the students in adding to their graphic organizers in order to support their comprehension of the text. Furthermore, the content of this book, as related to weather, is given a cross-curricular aspect by inspiring students to explore the scientific perspectives on weather. The ebook tab showcases the book Rocco the Weather Dog that I wrote myself. It follows a weather reporting dog named Rocco who experiences different types of weather. The book is directed towards children and uses sight words and repetition in order to make the book engaging as well as entertaining for children. The Etools tab within this Balanced Literacy e-unit provides a link to the Starfall website, which is a collection of interactive reading and writing games for students who are at the kindergarten to third grade level. The games are designed to help students with grammar, sentence structure, and reading fluency. There are also games that promote phonemic awareness by helping students to break down words in order to manipulate the individual sounds that letters make. This concludes the tour of my Balanced Literacy e-unit on weather. Reminder that all of the links to related literature can be found within each of the tabs, as well as links to all of the lesson plans included in this unit, as well as the link to the video of my Read Aloud video. Thank you guys for your time and consideration. Have a nice day.